Hello. In this video, we will guide you through the process of replacing your existing Verizon Fios set-top box with the new Fios TV Plus device that you recently received in the mail. The process of making the replacements is not complicated and should only take about 15 minutes to complete. You may want to watch this entire video once and then watch it a second time, pausing as you complete the steps involved in the replacement. It is very important that you disconnect any existing internet or TV equipment that you are replacing from your wall outlets before proceeding. This includes any routers, Wi-Fi extenders, TV set-top boxes, and any other internet equipment included in your current setup. Let's now look at the box that your new equipment was shipped in. Depending on your setup, you may have received a router with your equipment. If your kit has a device that looks like this or this, that is the router. If your kit does not come with either one of these routers, or if you do not already have one of these routers in your home, you cannot continue your install and should contact 1-800-VERIZON. If you already have one of these routers in your home, then you can skip this next step and move on to the Connecting Your Video Media Server chapter. The first step is to find where your existing router is installed in your home. Your existing router may look like this and could be installed in your basement, by your electric panel, or near one of the existing televisions. If you have not done so already, it is very important that you disconnect any existing internet or TV equipment that you are replacing from your wall outlets before proceeding. This includes any routers, Wi-Fi extenders, TV set-top boxes, and any other internet equipment included in your current setup. You will now transfer all of your cabling, like for like, from your old router to your new router you received in your kit. Unscrew the coax wire, which is the rigid round wire connected here and is connected to the labeled coax connection from the old router using a counterclockwise motion. Next, connect the same coax cable to the new router's coax connector and rotate it clockwise until it is finger tight. Disconnect the wire that is plugged into the WAN port of your old router by pinching down on the top clip and pull the wire out. Then connect the wire to the new router's WAN port by pushing it in until it clicks. This WAN port is highlighted orange on your new router. If there are any other connections on your old router, transfer them now to your new router. Once all connections are made, plug the power supply that came with the new router into the port on the new router and then plug the other end of the cord into your electrical outlet or existing power strip. It's important that you use the new power supplies that came with your new kit. Do not reuse the power supplies for your old equipment. You no longer need these old power supplies and should return them or recycle them with your old equipment. Your router will now go through a power cycle phase that may take up to 10 minutes to complete. You will see a white light on the front left corner when the router is active. It's important to wait the full 10 minutes in order for your Fios TV Plus boxes to properly activate once installed. You will then need to connect your personal devices to your router using the sign-in credentials on the new router. First, unscrew the coax wire, which is the rigid round wire connected here and is connected to the labeled coax connection from your new router using a counterclockwise motion. Then look in your kit for the new coax cable splitter and connect the same coax cable you unscrewed from your router into the in port on your provided splitter. Now look in your kit for the two provided new coax cables. Connect these cables to the out ports on your new splitter by rotating them clockwise until they are finger tight. If there are any unused ports on your splitter, cover them up with the included caps. Next, connect one of the coax cables from the out ports of your splitter to the new router's coax connector and rotate it clockwise until it is finger tight. Now locate the new video media server from your kit that is labeled VMS 4100 ATV on the bottom of the device. Then connect the other coax cable from the other out port of your splitter to your new video media server by rotating it clockwise until it is finger tight. Then plug the video media server power supply that came with the install kit into the port on the new box and plug the other end of the cord into your electrical strip or wall outlet. It's important that you use the new power supplies that came with your new kit. Do not reuse the power supplies for your old equipment. You no longer need these old power supplies and should return them or recycle them with your old equipment. Your video media server will now connect automatically. You will see the light turn solid white when the connection is complete. Now let's move on to connecting your Fios TV Plus device. Locate the Fios TV Plus device from your kit and position it next to your old set-top box so you can swap the TV connection between the old box and your new Fios TV Plus. First, disconnect the HDMI wire that is connected to your television from your old set-top box and connect it to the Fios TV Plus. Then connect the Fios TV Plus power adapter to your new device and plug the other end of the cord into your electrical strip or wall outlet. It's important that you use the new power supplies that came with your new kit. Do not reuse the power supplies for your old equipment. You no longer need these old power supplies and should return them or recycle them with your old equipment. Now turn on your TV and set the input on your television to the correct HDMI input. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your remote and complete the activation. Your Fios TV Plus should detect your Wi-Fi network and automatically connect during setup. If you received more than one Fios TV Plus device, repeat these steps for each additional device and television set you have in your home. To recycle your old equipment, check for recycling facilities in your state or community, or return the equipment with the provided shipping label. You can also return your old equipment to your local UPS store. If you run into any issues, the My Verizon app can guide you along the way, and we're always here to help. And there you have it, you're now up and running on your new equipment. Thanks for choosing Verizon and have a great day.